morning, friends. It's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. Today we have another beautiful fall farmhouse to tour today. I'm so excited to have Stephanie here from Boxwood Farms LLC sharing her beautiful home for the fall 2021 season. If you guys love chippy decor, antiques, and just beautiful farmhouse decor, you guys are gonna love today's tour. So make sure you guys check her out in the description box below, where you can follow her on Instagram, show her some love in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's welcome her here today and tour her home.
Hey guys, it's Stephanie here from Boxwood Farms LLC, and I want to give you a home tour of our farmhouse in the city in Walker, Michigan. We built our home in 2016. My husband and I did all of the landscaping in the front ourselves. When we built our home, we wanted a front porch, and I think this is the perfect size for us. I love to rearrange it and redecorate it for the seasons. My husband custom made this screen door so we get a nice cross breeze into our home. Let's go inside. When you come inside, you are greeted with about 18-foot ceiling and a beautiful bay of windows. In the front here, we have a little nook that we decided to leave open, and my husband shiplapped it recently. And I have an entry table and some decor. I chose to have this left open instead of doing a bench or any built-ins that way, so I can have a table and then I can change it for the season. Changing decor is one of my favorite things to do. We have double closet doors here. And then to your right, we have our den / home office for my husband when he works from home. This is where our kids like to hang out, play video games. My husband built me this shelf that I can display a lot of my favorite decor pieces on. He also built me that table right there under the TV. Our home is just under 3,900 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. There is our master, and then we have a master bath and our walk-in closet. And upstairs is where the children sleep. We have 2 children, and there's 3 bedrooms upstairs with a full bath with double sinks. This is our living room, and there's Kevin taking a nap. When we built our home, we also opted not to do built-ins here next to the fireplace. We kept them all the way open to the ceiling to really accentuate the ceiling height in here. And my main thought was so that we could put a Christmas tree in the corner over there. However, I got this beautiful hutch that stays there forever. So our Christmas tree actually goes in the middle of these windows. But this is just so beautiful, and it allows us to display our family photos and more of my style, my decor pieces. We have a brick fireplace surround and a gas fireplace. This is my favorite piece in the house. It is a hutch that we got from the Found Cottage here in Hudsonville, Michigan. It is the perfect amount of chippy paint, and it's vintage and antique, and I know the person that had it before, and she told me a story about how she got it, and it's so nice to have in our home now. Our backyard, we recently just put the pool in. We're getting ready to close it. That's why all the furniture is gone. But our home is on just under an acre, so our property goes past all those trees in the back. Fresh landscaping and new grass this year after the pool was put in. This is the view looking into the rest of the home. We have an open concept home. There's more shiplap that my husband did for me. Our wall color is Reverve Pewter. which was color of the year a couple years ago. And our trim color is Dove White. I love this wall color because it's so neutral that anything you put on the wall, any style you have, it will go with it. Very, very neutral. We have an 8-foot dining room table here that my husband custom made for me. I love having the kids around it and our friends and our family. Here's a view looking into the den that we were just in earlier. We have pocket doors there and then French doors on the other side. My other favorite piece in the house is this hutch that I got online for a steal. And I have more space to show off my decor. Here's a view into our kitchen. We have quartz countertop throughout the house. When we were going over plans for our home, the kitchen layout was different. So my husband actually came up with the idea to have the fridge recessed into the wall and have the pantry on the side of that. It's a great idea by him. We have a covered porch right here. And this thing is absolutely amazing in the summer. If you don't want to be in the direct sun, the fan gives a really nice breeze and it's just nice to get a little shade when you want. We have a shed back there that we bought last fall, matches our home. Our kitchen cabinets are a vanilla white, so they're not pure white, they're just a little bit off-white. This is the view looking from the kitchen in. And then this is a view looking into our mudroom. That door leads to the garage. We have our half bath, guest bath right here. This color is, I believe it's called moss. It's just a very light green. We picked out all of our own mirrors for the home. We did not do the builder grade mirrors, so we picked all those out ourselves. And then over here, we have lockers, one for each member of the family. They are extremely messy, but this is real life. This area kind of comes as more of a slop and drop, put your stuff in here, go. It's kind of out of the way. You don't have to see it all the time. We have double closets right here as well. It's great for putting the big puffy coats away, extra fleeces that the kids aren't wearing. And then this is our laundry room. My washboard collection up there. My French laundry basket. I love having a window in the laundry room. It's just so nice. It lets in a lot of light, a nice breeze. And then we actually upgraded these shelves recently. We had the builder grade wire shelf and it really wasn't doing it for me. So my husband custom made these shelves. So pretty. And then we have a sink because with kids and you come in and you're muddy and you're dirty, it's just nice to have a sink for you to wash your hands, maybe drop some dirty boots in. Another thing about our island is that I had a bookshelf put on this side where I could put my collection of cookbooks. Some of them are from my grandma, some are actually from my mom. And then we have these custom island legs that were definitely an upgrade, but they were totally worth it. They are so beautiful. We have a tile backsplash. We did the subway tile, but we picked it out in a gray instead of a white to kind of break up all the white that we have. My husband also shiplapped above the TV, above the fireplace. Of course, we did all this after we moved in, but the things you know now, if you ever build again. And then there's a view looking out to our foyer. We have a little space above the door that was empty for quite some time, but slowly I started adding some pieces up there just to give a little something to look at as our guests are leaving. So that is our home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by.
A big thank you to Stephanie for sharing her gorgeous home today. I hope you guys enjoyed your cup of coffee this morning with a beautiful home tour, and I will see you guys later in tomorrow's home tour. Bye.